How to hide your online status in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from AppGuide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you the way on how you can hide your online status on WhatsApp. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the WhatsApp app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in WhatsApp. Go ahead and simply either download or update the WhatsApp app to the latest version. Once you've updated WhatsApp, I'm going to simply open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now what the online status over here means is that if you go ahead and simply open a certain chat, let's say for example, it would simply show the online status right on the top left. As you can also see last seen status, and if they're online, it will also show them that you're actually online. So how do I turn off online status? In order to go about this process, on the very top right hand side you can see the three vertical dots. All you have to do is simply tap on the three vertical dots, and then right over here you will be able to find the option which says settings. Once you go to settings, what you have to do is, again at the very top, you have to simply tap on account. As you tap on account, what you'll also be able to do is, again at the top you'll find this option which says privacy. So go ahead and tap on privacy. As soon as you tap on privacy, you'll be able to see a list of all these options, and right over here you'll be able to see the option which says last seen. Now do not get confused, because there are lots of ways that people say that you can turn off online status. The only thing you can do is you can actually turn off your last seen status. If you look closely at the bottom, you can also see this option which is status, and keep in mind that this is not your online status. This is simply a status which you see on your WhatsApp bios and so on. As you can see, this is simply this kind of status which you see on the My Status tab when you want to add a new status. But in order to hide your online status, WhatsApp currently doesn't allow that feature. Instead, what you could do is simply turn off your last seen. When you set your last seen to nobody, you can simply actually keep in mind that no one else will be able to see when you were last active. And if you select this contact, this is simply not the online status that you are looking for. The other thing which you could also do is, let's say you don't want a specific person to view your online status, what you could do is simply block that person, because currently on WhatsApp there isn't that feature. WhatsApp hasn't tried out and released that feature yet. You can actually see WhatsApp has very limited features compared to other social media applications and so on, but this is simply the way to work it around. What you can do is you can simply block that person or to remove them from your contacts list in order for them to not be able to see your online status. Hope this video gave you some insights about the online status on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.